Oh, cool. Okay, well, hearing a lot of sounds out here. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Kind of freaking me out. But yeah, this is my everyday life here from where I live. I live in southern Alberta. It's a nice place to stay, I guess. It's just, man, the drugs that have come here have really ruined the place. But it's a nice place. These are my animals here. I always have a load of them. That's our newest one, Zephyr. It's quieting down now. I know. That's a freaky ass noise coming from the trees. The weirdest thing here is that there is a gas pipeline in the ground. Come on, little guys, come on! Come on, sugar! I like it here. Good place to live. I shouldn't so drug riddled, you know. But I rescued a lot of dogs here. I kept them all. And yeah, I just want to share my story with y'all. This is my life on the reserve in southern Alberta. The 80s epidemic has hit. So here we go. But I just want to show you that it can be beautiful compared to what's up on top of the hill. It is actually a really beautiful place. How beautiful that sunset is. Can't see it, but in the back, you see them there? Those are the mountains right there. Those are the Rocky Mountains.